सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारे नु। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And like always today the property which I'm going to share with you is a 4 BHK floor in Gurgaon sector 23A. And friends, the property which we are going to visit today has its first and second floor already sold. Only third and the fourth floor of the property are left for sale, and of which fourth floor is with roof rights. And the prices of both the floors will be declared by me at the end of the video. So do watch the video till the end. And now without wasting any time, let's go and check out the layout of that property which I'm talking about. Let's go. So this is the property, guys, and in this property first and second floor of the property are already sold, whereas third and the fourth is still left, and the fourth, as I've told you, is with roof rights. So now what we are going to do is that we step further and start exploration of each and every corner of this property. So let's go inside, guys. So friends, this being the straight floor of the property, and over here let me show you. These individual separate water tanks are provided for each floor, and within these tanks separate electric motors are also provided. The motors which are provided over here are waterproof and are fitted inside these tanks only. So this being the straight floor, and over here each flat owner will get a parking space of 2 cars on this straight floor. So this being the straight floor of the property, my friends, and turning my camera to the right will bring us to this lift lobby cum staircase area. And here the lift is yet to be installed, and the make of lift which will be going to be installed in this property is of Schindler. So my friends, from this lift lobby cum staircase area, let's move upward and explore the layout of the first floor of the property. So let's go. So my dear friends, this being the main entrance to the floor, as you can see, provided with 8 feet tall wooden door, and behind this door is the layout of the floor which we came to explore. So let's go inside. So friends, over here, before starting exploration of each and individual room, let me tell you that the type of flooring provided over here is of Italian marble in this lobby and drawing room area, whereas all the other rooms are provided with vitrified tiles flooring. And apart from this, like I have told you, that the first and the second floor of the property is already sold, and at this moment we are exploring the first floor of the property because this is the floor which is completely finished at this moment. So it is better to show you the finished floor instead of showing you the floor on which the work is still going on. So don't get confused by these air conditioner installed on this first floor, because this is an individual's property who has purchased this floor, and this is not being provided by the builder. So rest all which you will view on this floor will be provided by builder apart from AC. And with this, let's start exploring each and every corner of the floors. So my dear friends, this being the main entrance to the floor, and currently I am standing in the lobby area of the floor, and opposite to the main entrance, passing this lobby area will take us to the drawing room area of the floor. So friends, this is the drawing room area of the floor, provided with this Italian marble flooring. And in this drawing room area, this is the design of false ceiling provided. And over here in this drawing room area, this UPVC toughened glass panels along with this wire mesh panels are provided, which besides giving a very nice outer view from this drawing room, also ensures natural light and natural air to come inside this room. And adjacent to this is this door provided, which is leading us to the front side balcony. So before exploring any other part of the floor, let's explore the front side balcony on this floor. So here we go, and this is the front side balcony. My dear friends, there is no second thought about that this balcony is pretty decent in size, and this is the type of flooring provided in this balcony. And this balcony, front side balcony of the floor, besides being accessed from this drawing room area, can also be accessed from the bedrooms adjacent to the drawing room. Bedroom number 1 and the bedroom number 2. So this being the front side balcony of the floor, and this is the outer view from the front side balcony. And now from this front side balcony, let's go inside this drawing room area, and moving out of this drawing room area will take us to this lobby cum dining space area. So this being the main entrance, and this is the lobby cum dining room area of the floor. And as I've told you that the type of flooring provided both in lobby and the drawing room area is of Italian marble, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this lobby cum dining space area. And while being in this lobby cum dining space area, just adjacent to the main entrance is this section provided, which is provided with these drawers and some storage space which can be used as a puja room. And just opposite to the main entrance is this beautifully designed shelf section is provided. And just to give you an idea, let me show you the space provided behind this panel. Press it once and it will open. So this is the shelf section which I was talking about, very beautifully and nicely designed, as you can see. With this I have completed the drawing room, lobby and the front balcony of the floor, and now is the time to explore the kitchen of this floor. So my dear friends, this is the kitchen of the floor, which is provided with this beautifully designed glasswork at the entrance, and this being the entry door to the kitchen. And let's go inside and explore the kitchen of this floor. Friends, this is the shade of vitrified tile flooring provided in this kitchen area, and this is the false ceiling provided in this kitchen. This is a modular design kitchen, as you can see. And in this kitchen area, this chimney and hob is provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And over here in this kitchen, this black granite slab is provided. And my friends, while being in the kitchen, the two things which we all are curious about is, one, the quality of woodwork provided in the kitchen, and the second one is how much storage space this kitchen has. So to answer this, let's start quickly exploring the woodwork provided in this kitchen. Starting from this corner, this being the area provided to keep your microwave and oven, as you can see. And beneath that a drawer is provided. Let me open it for you. So this being the drawer, very smooth in operation. And moving ahead, these two sections are provided with the hydraulic hinge, as you can see, and this being the chimney which I have told you, which the builder is providing as a standard fitment along with the hob. And moving further, another two sections provided with hydraulic hinges, and this being the UPVC toughened door which is leading us to the backside balcony from this kitchen. And moving further, these are the few more cupboard spaces provided over here. So over here these steel racks are provided because this is the dishwashing area, as you can see. And moving further, closing this panel, this is the proper utilization, I can say the very good utilization of the corner space. And moving out of this is some more space provided over here in this kitchen. And now over here some additional space is provided. Let me open it for you. And adjacent to that is this pantry section provided. Let me open it and show you how much space it is having. So my dear friends, with this I have completed the woodwork provided above the slab, and now is the time to explore the woodwork provided beneath the slab, basically the drawers provided over here. So starting from this corner, this some cupboard space provided over here. These are the drawers provided with soft closing. Look. Over here, this space is provided to keep your cutlery. Spacious drawers. Big corner space utilization. Over here also, plenty of space is provided, as you can see. Moving further, over here this bin section is provided, and note The RO provided over here is not a standard fitment, it is not provided by the builder. So with this, closing this, moving further, some more big gigantic drawers provided in this kitchen, as you can see, and over here some more storage space is provided. So over here this space is provided to keep your refrigerator, and with this I have completed the kitchen of this floor. And now from this kitchen area, let's step outside and explore the backside balcony of the floor. So let's explore the backside balcony, moving out of this kitchen, and this being our backside balcony, and this is the outer view from the backside balcony. So it is also pretty decent in size. And one thing more, that this backside balcony, besides being this from this kitchen area, can also be accessed from the two bedrooms which are adjacent to the kitchen area. So one bedroom being that, this being the kitchen, and the second bedroom will be this. So with this, start the exploration of the bedroom from this. So entering the bedroom from this backside balcony, let's explore this bedroom first. So my dear friends, this is the first bedroom of the floor, and this is the shade of vitrified tile flooring provided in this room, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this bedroom. And like all the rooms over here, also this glass panels along with wire mesh panels provided, certainly ensuring natural light and natural air to come inside this bedroom also. And this is the design of TV console provided in this room, and towards my right again are the wardrobes provided in this room, and that being the attached washroom to this bedroom. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind the panels of this wardrobe, and then we will explore the attached washroom. So these are the wardrobes provided in this room. And now is the time to explore the space provided behind these panels, and this is the wardrobe space provided in this room. This being the one section, and this is the second section. So these being the wardrobe space provided in this room, and turning my camera to my left, attached washroom to this bedroom. So this being the attached washroom, as you can see, provided with the jacquard fittings, space to keep your toiletries, separate wet area, and a geyser provided. So now moving out of this washroom will bring us back to the bedroom which we had just explored, our first bedroom. And now out of this bedroom, let's explore the others, the second bedroom adjacent to the kitchen. So this is the second bedroom of the floor. So over here in this second bedroom, the shade of vitrified tile flooring provided in this room is similar to what we have explored in the first bedroom, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. It is really nice and really elegant. And moving further, this is the design of TV console provided in this room. And turning my camera towards my right are the wardrobes provided in this room. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind these wardrobe panels. And my dear friends, this is the wardrobe space provided in the second bedroom of this floor. There is no doubt that the wardrobe space provided in each and every bedroom is pretty decent, as you can see. And towards my right again, this is the toughened glass panel coupled with wire mesh panels provided over here, ensuring natural light and natural air to come inside the room. And adjacent to it is this toughened glass door provided, UVC toughened glass door provided, which is leading us to the backside balcony, which we have already explored. And from here, turning my camera to the left will take us to the attached washroom to this bedroom. So this being the attached washroom with a separate wet area, geyser installed, all jacquard fittings, and space to keep your toiletries. So with this, we have completed the second bedroom of the floor as well. And now moving out of this second bedroom of the floor will take us to this lobby cum dining space area. And now is the time to explore the other two bedrooms of the floor. So of these two bedrooms, let's explore this bedroom first. So let's enter the third bedroom of the floor. So this being the third bedroom of the floor. Now over here in this third bedroom, this is the shade of vitrified tile flooring provided over here, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this room. And this is the design of TV console provided in this room. And towards my right, again these toughened glass panels along with wire mesh panels are provided, and adjacent to that this UPVC toughened glass door is provided, which is leading us to the front side balcony, which we have already explored. And opposite to that is this wardrobe section of this bedroom provided. So let's first quickly explore the space provided behind the panels of this wardrobe provided in this bedroom. So friends, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this third bedroom of the floor. And opposite to these wardrobes provided in this third bedroom of the floor, this dressing area is provided. And turning my camera to the left is the attached washroom to the third bedroom. So this being the attached washroom to the third bedroom, provided with all jacquard fittings, space to keep your toiletries, attached geyser, and a separate bed area. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the third bedroom of the floor as well. And now moving out of this third bedroom will take me to the last part which is left to be explored on this floor, which is the fourth bedroom of this floor. So friends, this is the fourth and the last bedroom of the floor, and this is the shade of the vitrified flooring tiles provided over here in this room, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. As you can see, it is really nice and elegant again. And this is the design of TV console provided in this bedroom. And towards my right is this huge white UPVC toughened glass door is provided, which is covered with wire mesh panel, and which is acting as a great source of natural light and natural air to come inside this room. And over here, this being the attached washroom to this bedroom. So moving inside, let me show you. This is the attached washroom. I'm sorry, over here few things are scattered, means as you can see. So this washroom again is provided with the jacquard fitting, and over here these closet space is provided. And as you can see, these wardrobes are provided with the sliding panels. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind these panels also. So this being the wardrobe space provided in this fourth bedroom. And now opening the other side of the wardrobe, very smooth panels, nice quality of woodwork provided over here. And let me open this also. So again, this is the space provided over here. So nice spacious wardrobes provided in each and every room. And as I've said, this being the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor. So here also this jacquard fittings, space to keep your toiletries, separate wet area, and the geyser is provided. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed each and every corner of the floor. And now moving out, let's check out the terrace also, which is coming along with fourth floor. So exiting this first floor of the property, let's go to the terrace through this staircase. So my dear friends, this is the terrace of the property, which will ultimately become the property of the one who purchased the fourth floor of this property. So this being the terrace. And those are the overhead tanks provided. and this is the outer view. And friends, now let's go downstairs to discuss the prices of both these floors, third and fourth. The fourth, which is coming with the roof rails. So let's go downstairs. And now friends, I hope you like the layout of the floor, and if you are finding the content shared on this channel valuable, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And now talking about the price of this floor. So friends, at the start of the video, as I've told you that third and the fourth floor of this property is available on sale, whereas first and the second floor are already sold. So the price of the third floor is 1.75 crore, whereas the price for the fourth floor, which is with roof rights, is 1.85 crores, which is negotiable. So to negotiate about their prices, you need to contact me, and the number of mine is flashing on the screen. And to become an owner of any of these floors, you need to contact me immediately, because the time is really short. Such properties with such nice location and a very decent layout are rare to find. So you need to act immediately. And with this, I Bipin Pal Singh signing off for today, and with a promise to meet you again with altogether a new video and a new property option. So till then, take care of yourself, your family, and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.